Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to hide Google Group from global address list with Fanatical Foresight. Google Admin Console doesn't provide an easy way to bulk hide groups from the global address list, forcing admins to do it manually one by one. That's where Fanatical Foresight comes in. Fanatical Foresight automates hiding Google Groups from the global address list in bulk, saving time while ensuring privacy, efficiency, and security. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into Fanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Hide Groups from the directory and click on it. In the template page, click Copy Rule. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Hide Groups from the directory will display. Click Next and then click Review. In the review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Let's demonstrate first how a group email shows in the email sending process. Go to a user's Gmail. Click Compose to start an email draft. In the field, enter the group name. The group will display from the drop-down list. Now let's hide the SDE interns group email from the global address list. Go to Fanatical Foresight Templates page. Search Hide Groups from the directory and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button. Replace the CSV file group email column with your organization's group emails you want to hide from the global address list. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload button of Copy of Hide Groups from the directory rule. Upload the CSV file. Wait momentarily, and you will get a notification on the top right of. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, you can confirm group email and the setting applied on the group. Go back to Gmail, enter the same group name. The group is now invisible from the directory list. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.